Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 229 Route 2 in the town of Greene. This is a one-of-a-kind spectacular acreage, which is the ultimate nature paradise. Hi, I'm Rich Testa. Let's take a tour. This mega parcel, over 150 acres, rarely comes on the market. It includes farmland, waterfront, woods, and so much more. The west side parcel has approximately 70 acres with a hilltop site with spectacular views. The pristine woods are great for hiking and seeing wildlife too. This is the perfect setting to build your dream country home. The east parcel has over 80 acres with substantial tillable farmland, woods, and thousands of feet bordering Ginny Ganslet Creek, where you can take a dip or go trout fishing. This property is also bordering Indian Brook with crystal clear waters. Nature is amazing with abundant wildlife. Whether the hilltop site or along thousands of feet of Ginny Ganslet Creek, you are at one with nature to build your dream country estate.
We can custom design your dream home. Imagine the possibilities. A beautiful open floor plan encompassing a granite kitchen. Amazing one-floor living. How about an elegant owner's suite with a tray ceiling? The possibilities are endless.
The charming village of Greene is a great place to live. With country shopping, nearby schools, skiing at Greek Peak, and the entire Finger Lakes region. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 229 Route 2 in the town of Greene. This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here.